Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Target. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in target.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Target website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then click on sign in. This will then take you into the login portal. If you have logged in previously with your Target account on this browser, then you will see this account and you will directly be asked to enter your password. If you wish to use another account to log in, click on the sign out button and you will be allowed to enter your email address or your phone number. Just type in either one of these and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. If you are using a private device, then you can also tap on the Keep Me Signed In checkbox. Otherwise, leave it as it is. And finally, click on the Sign In with Password option. You can also use a login key or a pass key in order to log in using a shortcut. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Target. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.